ChatGPT has become a really powerful and fundamental tool, and it is not only useful for doing your homework. In this video, we will show you 5 incredible things that you can do with this artificial intelligence. Let's go with number 1. Be your nutritionist. Here's our TikTok if you don't follow it yet.
This video will change the way you look forever. I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to get a free personalized workout and diet routine. You will ask it to act as a personal trainer. Then you will ask it to act as a nutritionist. Ask it to do a shopping list with portions. And finally ask it to do a daily routine table of your meals and workouts. You won't have to visit a nutritionist again. Save this video and follow for more AI content.
In second place, you can create an extension for Google in ChatGPT. You just have to say in which programming language you want your code and the function you want it to perform. And as simple as that, your extension for Google will give it to you. You will only have to copy and paste and follow a few steps that this artificial intelligence will tell you. Thirdly, we have the creation of content. GPT Chat can be very helpful to plan or make your scripts for your next video. You can also assign a behavior at the beginning of the prompt for a more personalized style. ChatGPT can program anything as simple as asking it to do anything in the code that you like the most, so you will no longer have to worry about knowing code and you will save a lot of time. Finally, GPT Chat can generate a personalized plan for personal growth in relation to any book you would like to read. This way, you don't have to read the book anymore and you will save hours. GPT Chat will dissolve all the relevant information for you and put it in a plan for you to follow and start getting the most out of the books that interest you the most. You just have to follow the plan that it gives you. Start doing this with your favorite books and applying them to your life. Thanks for watching Blue Finance, and if you like this type of AI content, subscribe for more. See you next time.